In this video I will show you how to start an LLC with Legalzoom. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description that you can use to get to this page right here, but you can also go to legalzoom.com and head over to the LLC page yourself. So here in this page you will see they have 3 different packages. They have a basic package which is free, you only need to pay for the state filing fees, and that's the case in every single one of these, but in the Pro plan you need to pay an extra $249 and in the Premium plan an extra $299. So in the basic plan is included articles of organization, a name check service, a digital welcome packet and a customizable website powered by Wix. Then the Pro plan includes everything in the basic plan, and on top of that you get an operating agreement, an EIN, which is used to identify the tax account of your business. So if you are the only person in the LLC, so it's just you, then you can also skip this and use your social security number if you want. Then you also get access to over 150 customizable legal documents, and you get an initial phone consultation with specialists about business insurance and taxes. Now in these 2 plans they say that you can do most of the work myself, but in the Premium plan they say I want advice from experienced attorneys, so you will get more help setting up your LLC. So in the Premium plan you get everything in the basic and Pro plan, and on top of that you get hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney. You get unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations about new legal topics related to your business, and you can make any changes to your LLC formation documents within the first 30 days. So when we click on see detailed features, you can see exactly what is included in Basic, Pro and Premium. So all 4 of these things are available in Basic, Pro and Premium. Then what it says right here is only in Pro and Premium, and these 2 right here, so that's the attorney guidance, are only available in Premium. And this is not available for always, you only get a 30-day subscription and after that you will need to pay for it. So I'm going to pick the Pro plan since that's most worth it to me. So just go and click on one of these options, doesn't matter which one you choose, just pick the one that's best for you. I'm going to form my LLC in the Pro package. Now here you can enter your business name or you can skip and decide later. Now here just go and enter your state and click on next. So here you will now see your details, so your name, your entity type and your state of formation. Make sure this is all correct and click on next. Now here optionally you can add your email address and phone number. This gives them a way to reach out about your order if needed, and they will never sell your personal info. So I do recommend entering one of these 2. So then click on next. Now they ask what will you do, so basically you just need to enter your industry. Now here you can pick if you want the registered agent service from Legalzoom, so you can appoint them as the registered agent for your business and get total peace of mind. They can take care of this conveniently and affordably. So the easiest option is to continue with Legalzoom, and that is what I will do. Now here you can pick a plan to meet your legal obligations with required ongoing filing. So when you pick a plan, you basically let Legalzoom do this for you, or you can click no thanks and do it yourself. So when we click select plan, you can see you get the business licenses and permits plan. So this service basically gives you a complete report to quickly identify your needs and stay compliant. So I'm going to add this on. Now here you will see the people that will be helping you. So for me, this person right here who is a tax expert, and this person right here who is a business attorney. You can see the amount of years of experience they have and how many stars out of 5 they get. So then click on next. Now here you can choose if you want Legalzoom to help you with your taxes. So if you do, you can pick either the standard tax return plan or the complex tax return plan. So this one is best for solo owners and this one is best for partnerships, S corps and C corps. So when starting your LLC, this one is probably enough, but if you're starting your LLC with, for example, 5 people, then this one may be necessary. Or you can of course do it yourself. So when you scroll down, you can see exactly what's included in every single plan, and you can just go over this, see if you need this. If you don't, simply click no thanks. If you do, pick one of their plans. For this example, I will pick this plan. This is also the most popular plan. So when you bill monthly, it's $99 per month. When you bill yearly, it's $66.58 per month. Now you can also get a legal protect plan for your business, and this may be smart to do because a legal dispute or issue can set your company back thousands of dollars, and you can make informed decisions with advice from their vetted network of independent attorneys. So you can take this if you want. I'm going to click on no thanks. Now you can open up a business bank account with Novo or Bank of America and get a sign-up bonus, or you can skip this. I will skip this. Now you can choose to get expedited processing, so this means that it will be done within 1 day, and if you don't, it will take 5 to 14 days. So the expedited processing costs an extra $99. I'm going to wait for the standard processing time. Now you can also get a founder's kit. So this is what's included in the founder's kit. You get a binder with your business name, so that's what you see right here. You get formation documents printed on archival paper, you get articles of organization, you get a personalized notebook and step-by-step checklist for what to do after your LLC is formed. So if you are a complete beginner, this may be helpful, but you can also skip this. I'm going to keep this on. So then click on next. So now they are assembling your package and you can see exactly what is included right here. Now you can see the total due now is a payment of $657, and of this there is $210 of state filing fees. So you can also get this to $0 if you want and only pay for the state filing fees if you include absolutely nothing from Legalzoom into your package. Now for me, I did pick a couple of these add-ons such as the business licenses and permits and the founder's kit, since this will save me a lot of time and headaches. So you can also pay in 3 monthly payments of $226 per month. Now on top of this, if you have any monthly subscriptions that you pick to add on, so for me for example the standard tax return, then that's an extra $99 in this case, and this is for the first month. Now included with your purchase you also get the Legalzoom books. So this is an accounting software that you can use for your business. So this will save you payments on other softwares such as QuickBooks. So then you can click continue to checkout. Choose how you would like to pay, enter your shipping address and your payment info, and then simply go ahead and pay. Now if you pick the expedited filing, then your LLC will be set up within 1 day. If you didn't pick the expedited filing, it will take 5 to 14 days, and then your LLC will be set up and you will get all your information. So then Legalzoom will provide all the information you need, for example the EIN number if you pick to add this on, and you will also get access to the Legalzoom books software. So simply fill in your information and click on agree and pay now, and then you will have started your LLC using Legalzoom. So that's how to start an LLC with Legalzoom. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.